Twa ase ubugatagati bw'omuji obosongo ekiombe kia Matiang'i for Kenya Lobby Group anyako bagosanga amo nabariki amang'ana.
Matiang'i power. Matiang'i power. Matiang'i tuoma. Matiang'i
Nigo banyariko bakomochia bari bakororokana gotamwa okoboko omorai Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i asekeri banyariko bagoteba nigo batachigwanja Matiang'i akorerwe echechegusi kubwatikana amoni gasi eria akorera abakenya goika goitabwa amone bisaku byonsi by'abakenya.
Twatebire ase sauti ya mabuna abagusi ing'o omwana ominto Matiang'i takoenda gokorerwe egosori eye abantu bataete komokorera paka nkaso oboga. Matiang'i no omwana bw'abakenya bonsi egasi akorire tari gusi yoka yenjoiria matunda aya igakoreire abantu igakorire egasi paka noe n'abantu bechinsemo chionsi bagoteba ng'a naisaine nande koba omorai oyo rorarete ense yaito ya Kenya amo egere tomenye obogima bonga afadhali ake buno obotu amenyire chingaki chia kurumaega
ekeumbu kiatokire kibwatwa obuya ekigere anda Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i moroche gasi akorete chiminisi chionsi byakorete akagorora ebinto byachire bogeka
ntego nkotebi omwana oito Matiang'i ng'antu abana abake chensi twachandikire korwa akarwete oborayi obori bwabwatenga kieigwatenete amang'ana security gwatenete amang'ana ya education ebinto byonsi byasirire omonene togosaba ng'a Nyasaye ori ore igoro atwe omorayi oito korugusi omwana oyo itatorae ebinto bibere bitato binyare korekebishwa Matiang'i oye.
We hereby and therefore wish to do a declaration here supporting His Excellency Dr. Fred Matiang'i based on his track record that speaks words. Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i is a man who has proven time to time again his commitment to transparency and accountability and transformation in our society.
Ase bono nigo banyako bakuburia abantu besokie ase obonge komwa okoboko Matiang'i ase egasi engia eria nyara kobakakora nabo igokomochia eserikali y'umuske Dr. William Samoei Ruto ase kiribanyako bagoteba nigo anyare kobakakong'ia obogima ane mono ekanga yokogania koruzi komenta chibesa chia masomo imeyense ya Kenya.
Moroje tole bono eserikali yaitete igo yatemete korete ebinto byarenge gaigai ekero mheshimiwa Matiang'i arengo chisemie chiachete bosa abagotu baito bakae guchibesa ebinto ebya serikali ero yabonete gete korusi ororo
efisi abaiboli babekeirwe ng'a January banse gwakana efisi konye kurukibaki aretete free education bona ntoira ndiu tochaka gwakana efisi ng'a ye efisi abakenya mo bachibesa bakuru efisi gaki.
Kenyans, let's not be swayed by baseless accusations, divisive tactics, and let's all reject the attempts to sow discord and instead focus on building a better future for all Kenyans. Let's stand together in solidarity and reject misinformation and division. Let's move forward with hope and determination. Finally, fellow Kenyans, together we can build a bright and more prosperous future.
Nabwigo abasani komanyako bakuburirwa bae bwate ebibande na koirikia buna abakichukura bosio bobochori obonene borobiri gokorekana mwaka 2027.
We are here today to encourage our young people to take the first step forward towards shaping the future of our nation by obtaining their identity cards and registering as voters. It is only through this active participation in the democratic process that we can ensure that our voices are heard and our concerns are addressed.
Nainchenta itekoiraniria abakenya bonse ng'ambe yamono asogo itabe chama ya Jubilee na gokorega sinero nare gosabera abana baite bijana byaito bigokina bono mwensi pi asamaberete mugende mubwate chikura after mwene mubwate bitambulisho after mwabwate bitambulisho nande mo register na bakekura after mwa register na bakekura nande mumanya ko register una abana members ba Jubilee kero ko register okobata *509# koikabuno konya kobwati na bego korokia sakogenda finally mbaka obe member ya Jubilee.
Ese moyende niko batogirie abarai bari banyara ko bagochorwa chingaki obochori obokebwa nyara ko bogokorekana aiko ko baburia abanyara ko bagokorera abakenya amagendero buna inchira emo yokokinia ense ya Kenya.
The members elected recently in the by-elections, that is more particularly in Nyamira, and other counties where the opposition front took lead.
Ginkuripoteria emesa ya mang'ana maya kurwa asubu gatakatibu muchi obusongo iria neni gonkuru kwa Hesbon Bosire.